everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and welcome back to my channel. And today I have our Easter home tour for you. It's a little bit late, I know, but better late than never, right? Well, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I wish you all a happy Easter. Okay, so in the entryway, I haven't gone crazy. I've just got my vintage French country farmhouse eggs that I did a DIY video on. You can see that in my description box below. I'll leave a link to that video. And that Easter egg there was from my recent bed bath and table haul. And then this is just my entry cabinet, which you've probably seen in my entry cabinet refresh video. And then just here I've just added a little white plaster bunny with an egg. But most of the work is actually in our kitchen area. So this is a great room. It pretty much contains our office nook, dining table, sitting area, and then our kitchen's over to the side here. So starting from, I guess, the TV. So we have our TV on the cutout wall here, and I just have a couple of these little DIY bunnies that I've also done a video on, and then next to that is my Ikea plant in a little Ikea galvanized tin, and that lantern is also from Ikea as well. So those are just the little DIY bunnies I did, and that's on the TV mantle. Then on this side, I just have a little Kmart bunny. He actually, I think his ears actually light up. I haven't got any batteries in him yet. And just a vase with some white sticks in. And I've just sort of wrapped a bit of burlap around the middle with a flower and some greenery there. So that's our TV nook. So I've got my little Easter tablescape here that I also did on one of my videos. I will also leave a link to that. So that's our Easter table for this year. And then on the office area, we haven't really done too much. I've just sort of swapped out a few of the accessories up there. So I've added a little bunny. He was from Kmart. That little lantern is from Ikea, and I've just added a candle and some roses. The pot there was from Reject Shop, and the plant was an Ikea plant. So that's just that shelf. And then just down here, I just have a little watering can, which was also from the Reject Shop, and the flowers that are in that are also from the Reject Shop. I really like this bunch of flowers. They're such a pretty flower bunch. And then these little rose gold and silver bunnies were from Kmart, and none of that's particularly Easter. So that's just our shelves above our office nook. And then on our office nook here, I've just got everyone's little Easter bag with their chocolates in. We haven't gone crazy this time because, I mean, my kids are grown. They don't need toys and crap like that. So I've just got them a few Easter eggs. I've just got a little paper mache bunny. I was going to decorate him, but I just haven't got round to it, so he's fine. And then just on this side, I put a little greenery pot. That little pot I bought from like a thrift store for only $1. And I've just put some greenery in there. So that's just our office nook section, nothing too fancy. I'll take you into our living space next. So our lounge is actually Ikea, and most of the cushions on the lounge are all from Kmart. This little table here, I just have some of those DIY bunnies that I did also on my channel. The little bird cage was from a antiques store, and I've just threaded a few flowers in amongst that to make it a bit more Eastery looking. That little pot was a Ikea plant inside an Ikea basket, and then that tall vase with some sticks in I've had for ages. I couldn't really tell you where I've got that from. So that's one little Easter table there. Then on my couch, the three big white pillows along the back there, they're just European cushions from Kmart. The checkered ones, they're both, the pillowcase was actually from Ikea, and the velvet one in the middle is also Kmart as well. The rug, the blush pink throw was actually from eBay, that one. So looking this way on the coffee table, I'm just trying to get a good shot of it. So on the coffee table, I just have a little vignette here. So we've just got a couple of little candles, and then I've just got a little thrift store basket which I just filled with some faux leaves, some bunnies, a little bird's nest which I bought from eBay for about $1, and then they're just some foam eggs which I've just painted some pastel colours. And that little rat and love heart was from the reject shop for about $1.50. That's just one little Easter vignette there on my coffee table. Then on this side we have a bowl of Cadbury Easter eggs. So that's our coffee table. Then onto this side we have again another Ikea chair with some Kmart pillows. And then this little setup here, this is my Ikea tiered tray. I filled this one with the bunnies from Bed Bath & Table. That little Easter, or that little nest, was from like a reject shop a couple of years ago in the craft section, and I just painted the eggs white, and I've just added some lavender flowers and some faux flowers there from the reject shop as well. Then on this one, we've just got a couple of faux eggs, more of those bunnies from Bed Bath & Table, and some pine cones there, as well as some more faux flowers. The vase was a thrift store find again, and that plant sticking out of it is a faux plant from Ikea, might have been Ikea, yeah. And then that little lantern's from Kmart. You can see all the little bunnies at the back there. They're just so cute. So that's my lounge section, or our like living area section. And I like this space because everyone can be in this room and everyone's together, even though they might be doing separate things. Like if we're on the computers over there, someone can be watching TV at the table. So then in our kitchen area, I've just done, that's probably where most of my decorating is. So as you enter the kitchen, we have this little setup here. The little ceramic bunny was from Target. The tree and the eggs were both from Kmart. I think the tree was about $5 or $8, something like that. And then the little eggs are also from Kmart. And then this little tiered stand here, that's from Kmart as well. And I've just filled that up with some raffia, some of those little bunnies that I bought from Bed Bath & Table, some faux eggs and pine cones which I painted up. That's the bottom level. Then on the top here, there's more of those little ceramic bunnies. Those little birds, they were actually from, I think they were from like the reject shop a few years ago. And then here, that little sign there was from the reject shop. These little velvet, the little velvet bunnies here, they're from Target. So that's my little setup there. And then I've got a few more of those bunnies from Bed Bath & Table under here. And then on there. And then that little egg cup there is also from Bed Bath & Table. And I've just filled it in with some raffia. Is it focusing? Some raffia and faux flowers. And then my napkins, they're just from, I think, Woolies. Reject shop, little birdcage shelf. And then I've filled it with some of those bunnies that I bought from Bed Bath & Table, as well as those little shabby chic DIY eggs that I did a video on as well. And I've just filled that with some more of those reject shop flowers. And the bunnies. And then those little candle stands, they were also from the reject shop. And then over on the sink area, so I just have a little stand here that I got from Kmart, and I've put on that some lavender bunnies which were from Target in a little set, and then some of the lavender plants which I also got from the reject shop, and that's sitting in like a little galvanized vase from the Ikea. And then over this side I just have a little bunny here. He was from Kmart, I'm pretty sure. And I've just got a little Ikea plant sitting in him. That's just that corner. My stove, I've just got a couple of more Easter looking tea towels. And then in this corner here, we just have a little dish of Easter eggs. And he's like a little egg cup holder, they came together. So yeah, that's my kitchen setup. And then over in my breakfast nook, I'll give you a overview first. So just from the sink, we just have another little tea towel that goes with the other ones. Some Easter napkins here with a dish of Easter eggs. And I think that, I can't remember if those dishes were from the reject shop. They're possibly from the reject shop. I have my bed, bath and table Easter plates here next to my coffee station. And then in here we just have another bowl of some Easter eggs, and then nothing different here. Up the top here we've got a set of little Easter bunnies. And then in this corner here, that's one of my DIY Easter eggs that I'm still not 100% sure about. I haven't yet spray painted over it, but I'm not sure. We'll leave it as it is for now. Then in there we've just got one of the other bed, bath and table bunnies and the bed, bath and table Easter egg in there as well. And then we've got our Easter mugs out. That's our hot chocolate station. We have this little stand that sits a little Easter bunny on top. They're both from Bed, Bath and Table as well. And that's just a basket with all our tea. Then up the top here we have a couple of lolly jars that I've just put some decorations in. Just some Easter eggs and some flowers and some Easter bunnies. And then up the top there we've just got some decorative baskets. Those baskets were from Kmart, they're still available. This hanging plant is Ikea as well, and the pot that it's sitting in is the reject shop. Then up the top there I've just got my chandelier, and that little furry bunny, he was from Kmart. I've just sat him with my big jug that was from the reject shop, and all those flowers in there, they were from eBay, and that flower too was from eBay. And then on this side we just have my, that's from Target, the big egg, and I've just got one of my coffee cups sitting next to it. And pantry I haven't decorated in there, but I have straightened it, so I might even do a pantry refresh soon as well. So yeah, that's pretty much all I've done for Easter this year, guys. It's way more than I was going to do, but not nearly as much as what I'd normally do for Christmas. So I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. And I'm wishing you all a very happy Easter and a nice break from work, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.